Yeah, good morning everyone. Today I will give a presentation accounts payable and BP. In this account payable means to uh, record the all vendor accounting data, and also it consists of data regarding vendor transactions and vendor accounts. Within 365 days, we will pay the money to vendor. That's called accounts payable. Uh, in this accounts payable, it is also current liabilities account. Uh, in this AP, accounts payable maintain some configuration steps. If you don't mind, can I share my screen and explain about this? So configuration part. Hello.
Yeah, Satyanarayana, please go ahead.
My screen is visible now?
Yeah, it's visible,
Yeah.
Satyanarayan.
Yes, sir. Firstly, we will create the vendor account groups. The transaction code is OBD3. This vendor account groups is three types of vendor account groups. The first one is domestic vendor account groups, and second one is international vendor account groups, and also third one is one-time vendor account groups. In this vendor account groups, we have maintained daily business transaction purpose to use, and also international vendor account groups are used for country specific and foreign currency transactions purpose we will use in international uh, vendor account group. And third one is one time vendor account group. In this vendor account group is that yearly only one time we will buy or sell the material, and also no need to record the one-time vendor business transactions. For example, I will create a one domestic vendor account group. Yeah. This is the account group. BSDA. Uh, this is the domestic vendor account group. Here we have field status is there, like general data, which we need in optional, require, and suppress. It will be shown to the in this field, and like it will be save the domestic vendor account group. If we have create the one-time vendor account group, that time we will confirm to select this option. This is one-time vendor account group, but no need to present create this one-time vendor account groups. After creating the domestic vendor account group, then we will create the number ranges. The transaction code is XKN1. We will create the number ranges. Here we have many intervals is there. So how we will pick the intervals? But we don't know which number range is here or not. So we will go to intervals and then select the free intervals. Here we have many free intervals is there. Like if this is select the free intervals, then give the number range number. But we don't select that. Already we have created in many number range. That's why we will select this number and save again. And once creating the vendor uh, vendor number ranges, then we will assign the vendor number ranges to vendor account groups. The transaction code is OBAS. Here we will go to position. Then here we will give the our domestic vendor account group. BSTK. Yeah, this is our vendor account group. Here we will assign the number ranges. And again, second. Yes. Once assign the number ranges, then we will create one domestic vendor account GL in reconciliation account. That time we will go to FS00. Here already we will create one. I created one domestic vendor account group. The account domestic vendor account is here. This one is here. We have options is there. A GL account type like balance sheet, cash account, non-operating expenses or income, and primary cost or revenues, secondary cost, balance sheets. In ECC, we have here balance sheets and profit and loss accounts is there. But as for HANA, we have so many changes is there. This domestic vendor reconciliation account is a current liabilities account. That's why we will pick this account group and then give the short test and long test also. Then we will go to control data. Here we have account currency. Select the account currency is Indian rupees, and this is the reconciliation account. That's why we will create assign the vendors, and also we will select the sort key. Here also we will give the vendor number. 012 is the vendor number, and also create bank interest. Go to create bank interest. Here we will give the field status group. G067 is the reconciliation account. That's why we will give the account group and save it again. Once complete the creation of domestic vendor reconciliation GL, we will go to some we will go to create the business partner role. That's why we will go to through path. Here we have options. Here we have cross application components. Then we will go to SAP business partners. And here also business partner option is there. Then go to basic settings, and this is the number ranges and groupings. Select the number. Firstly, we will give the define number ranges in BP row. Here we have also so many number ranges is there. It will be free intervals is there. So there is no free intervals we have found. That's why we will select one in this number range. For example, 01 is select this and save it again. And also we will define grouping and assign number ranges in this business partner grouping and define the number ranges. Then go to new address. Here we will create the business grouping role. For example, BSBA. The short name is domestic vendor name. It is also same here the domain description, and it will give the number and which one we will select this, that number will giving here. For example, and again save the business partner role. And after creation the business partner role, then we will go to master data synchronization. Why it is used? It assign the business partner and domestic assign the business partners to domestic vendor account. Here we have, yes, this is the master data synchronization, and and select the customer and vendor integration, and also we have business partner settings is there, and setting for vendor integration. Select the setting for vendor integration. Yeah, this is the set BP role category for direction BP to vendor. Sorry, then select the assign keys and define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. Yes. Then select the new entries. Here give the business partner grouping BSDA. Here the domestic vendor account group BSDA. Sorry, 1 second. We will business partner role is select the same.
బిఏ బీపీ తీసుకున్నావు కదా బిఏ డిఏలో ఎలా ట్రై చేస్తున్నావు
BA BP తీసుకో 1 second. Sir, 1 second. I will create one second. BS B1. Sorry, BS. System is tracking. BS is a business grouping role. Zero. Then go to master data synchronization. Assign keys define. Here we have give the BS. Okay, and then it will be created domestic vendor group BSDA. Yeah, this is the assignment of master data synchronization, and it's all clear to then we will create the BP business partner. That time we will slash BP. Yeah. In S4 HANA, we will use to transaction code is BP. In this BP means a business partners can be a person, organization, group of people, or group of organization. It is the simple point of entry to create, edit, and display the master data of business partners like customers and vendors. In this business partners, we will select the persons. Here giving the grouping, some each one we create the business partner group like BS. This is our business partner grouping, and then again create the select the BP role. For example, FI vendor. Yeah, this is the FI vendor BP role, and here we will give the title and that it is also uh, create the first name and it is also set the and we will fill the addresses like this. And postal code giving the city and country Asian is and once we create the address then go to address overview. Yeah. Here we have one vendor maintain multiple addresses. That's why we will use this address overview. For example, we will create the in this option we will create the new address. Same vendor create the new addresses. That time we will use this address overview. Then I again go to identification. Here personal data is the marital status. And again we will go to control tab. Here control parameters. Here we will give to business partner type. For example, anyone create the and after then we will go to payment transactions. Here we have give the bank details. If we have particular bank details, then we will give to is here. For example, here bank country India, bank key for any 4-digit key. Indian company can maintain maximum 10 or 11 account members is there. And then we will go to company code there. Here we have give the company code and enter again uh, enter and here we will give the reconciliation account. Here we have so many. This is our reconciliation domestic vendor reconciliation number and give the short key also. Suppose posting there and again we will go to vendor payment transactions. Here we have payment terms of payments is there. If we have you pay the immediately, then we will click the pay immediately 0001 and 1 second. Yeah. This is also Dunning. Here we will give the Dunning procedures, Dunning blocks is there. But accounts payable no need to give this Dunning areas. Then again select the save the business partner row. 1 second. Is there? International supplier number. Where it is the sir Okay, sir, where it is the option is there? Hello?
Actually,
Hello.
while we are creating that Satyanarayana number ranges and groupings, there we have that external activated, deactivated mode now. So I think that is error.
One second. Already I create the business briefing. It is also give them Luna. So it is comfortable.
Satyanarayana, once again open there.
Enter the external supplier number.
External the numbers are.
Satyanarayana, go to vendor general data. There have a vendor number, vendor assignments, account group. I think that one it is asking once check.
External PP number. Start the okay. Yeah, it's okay. I have already created, now that's why I will show the old one. this is our the business partner. Then go to here we will give the all the general data and give the company code data all are here. Then once we creating the business partner, then we will post one vendor invoice. The transaction code is FP60. Once here we will give the vendor number and invoice date. We give the invoice date. And some amount is like 10,000. Reference number is there and text to vendor invoice. Here we will give the credit purchase. And then give the amount. And here my tax code. But it is not my tax code. And we will go to check the OPP which one person is there. Here we will give our business tax code. My tax code is BS tax. Then save the tax code and we will go to selection. Again we will post the vendor invoice, vendor number, invoice date, reference number, amount. We will give the credit purchase account amount
and mention the calculation tax.
Yeah, okay. It is mentioned to tax calculation. How will you partial and then go to simulate again. This is the tax. We will save the vendor invoice and we will check the vendor line item display. Then transaction code is selection FBL1N. Here we have give the supplier number also and execute. This is our amount. This is our vendor invoice amount. It's a due item. Then we will go to clear the manual or automatic. First we will clear the manual. The transaction manual, the transaction code is -53. Here we give the document number. Reference number, beginning test, and amount also 10,000. Here we will give the vendor number. Then go to process open items. Okay. Mental field in text not permitted for
Go to OBC4 and maintain your field status variant and again go to bank accounts G005. Check the field for payment transactions.
and then go to field status group. It's also important. Hello. Text field assign number range is here.
TV40 is here.
Uh-huh.
Can you open the array again? Go to SM30, give the message. Give the table name V underscore T40V, right? V underscore. Open the table. Open that. Open.
One second. Which table? Hello.
Huh? V underscore. It's the segment assignment number.
Basic type no?
T, 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 T for tiger. T40V.
T40.
What? V. Edit. Edit.
Not.
And again go to OBC4. Can you drop down the segments and assignments? Pick your field status variant. Pick the G005 bank accounts.
Okay, already I picked it.
Open the general data. Assignment number of segments where, and go to account assignment second step segments.
Thank
Can you
you.
page down? Page down.
This is our last profit center.
ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి. పేజ్ డౌన్ బటన్ చూడండి, ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి, ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
ఇంకా ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి చేయాలి.
పేజ్ డౌన్ చేయండి. పేజ్ 1 ఉందా? పేజ్ వన్ ఉందా? పేజ్ 1 2 3 ఉంది కదా. మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో పేజ్ డౌన్ బటన్ చూడండి.
రైట్ సైడ్ సత్యనారాయణ 1/3 ఉంది కదా పేజ్.
ఓకే.
సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఆప్షనల్ పెట్టి సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నది. సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఆప్షనల్ పెట్టి ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయి.
Plus 53. And go to process open item. Not the same. Field item text is
Yeah.
not
What's the issue,
Text again.
Satyanarayana? Please open that.
Again open the text field.
an entry in
An
field
entry
item
in
text is not
field item.
permitted account.
Again go to OBC4.
Permitted, not permitted.
For account number.
Put the screenshot. Put the screenshot in chat box.
మళ్ళీ OBC4 లోకి వెళ్ళండి. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత జనరల్లో ఉంటుంది టెక్స్ట్ ఫీల్డ్ కూడా ఆప్షనల్లో పెట్టండి.
Text general data, no text field.
బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్స్ పేమెంట్ కదా జనరల్ డేటా టెక్స్ట్
Already option.
జనరల్ కూడా పెట్టండి. అట్లా G001 కూడా పెట్టండి. G001
It is also optional.
OB41 లోకి వెళ్ళండి. OB41 లోకి వెళ్ళి పోస్టింగ్ OB41 పోస్టింగ్
Posting. Posting.
50 అండి. పోస్టింగ్ కీ నెంబర్ 50. మెయింటైన్ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ మెయింటైన్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి. మెయింటైన్ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ జనరల్ డేటా టెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఆప్షనల్ ఎంట్రీలో పెట్టండి. అగైన్ గో టు
బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ డీటెయిల్స్
అది కూడా పెట్టండి. F-53 లోకి వెళ్ళండి సరిపోతుంది.
Yeah, this is the process. We select the process open item, then we will clear the full payment, then we will save it, post the invoice, then clear the total balance, and then we will go to FBL Ramna, then refresh it. Here no line items is there, then again we will create one invoice, and how it will be clear and partial and reschedule, I will show you. Version service system. Then create one under invoice. For example, Then again simulate the amount. Again enter the vendor invoice. Journal entry was is inventory raw material account data to vendor account. This is the entry, and then again post the invoice. And document 223 was posted in. Then we will check the FBL 1 name. One name. It will be picked up 10,000 in. It's a due item. Then how it will be clear the part in partially. I will show you. Then go to how it will be clear the manual partial. Then go to dash 53. Then we will do the document date. It is the header data table. Reference number, partial clearing, account number. In 10,000 rupees, it will be clearing only 3,000 rupees in partially. The text was partial amount, and again give the vendor account number and go to process open item. Yeah, this is one option is in partial payment. Here, with how much we will paid in partially, that amount it will be given in this field. That's called in partial amount. Yeah. Once it will be give the payment not assigned is the 0. That time we will post the vendor invoice and correct the marked items. Yeah. It will be give the payment terms. Yeah. Once we will complete the posting, the document 451 was posted in company code, and it will check the line items and refresh. Yeah, it will clear the 3,000. Again, he was pending in 7,000, and we will clear the full payment in another 7,000 rupees. And it is also clear the reschedule clearing. The amount was reschedule clear the 5,000 rupees. The text was rescheduled. Go to process open items. This is the option in reschedule amount. Which amount is pending in reschedule? That's called that item. That payment is give this reschedule item. For example, minus 2,000. Yeah, this is clear the reschedule item 0 and post it. Once we clear the post the GL reschedule clear, then we will go to refresh, and pending was only 2,000 rupees. And once clear this item, then we will clear in automatic in this amount, and then I will show the how will post the automatic payment in that 2,000 rupees. The transaction code is F110. It is the automatic payment program. It will be give the run date, like run date is today's date. Then we will give the identification. Identification, and anyone is any number is here identification. Then go to parameters. Here we will give the company code and payment method, outgoing payment. The next posting date is select this next posting date here, and then we will give the supplier number, and we will go to additional log. Then we will select the due date check and payment method selection in all cases. Then go to status and again save and go to proposal, scheduled proposal, and start. Select the start immediately and select again. We will refresh it. Once complete the scheduled proposal, then go to edit proposal. And one error is there in this 2000 rupees, and select this item. The payment method for this run are not specified in master of the record in items. Then go to relocate. Then do the payment method and select the adjustment. Enter this. No GL account has been specified. Okay.
Go to FBJT.
Yeah, I'm actually access. Yeah, okay. The item is cleared. Then we will go to save the payment, and we will. It's cleared the payment. So then we will go to payment run, and then okay to the payment run is completed. Then we will go to FBL1 slash FBL1. The no items is there. Then select the cleared item and give the today's date. Yeah, this is the clearing the pending amount. There is no line items is there. Uh, this is overall the accounts payable and business partnership. Thank you, Gopi sir.
Gopi Gar, we can start the internet.
Yeah, nice presentation.